top-level stakeholder meeting has begun to find a solution to Haiti's ongoing political and economic crisis. Discussions continued Sunday morning following the opening ceremony at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Kingston, Jamaica. The economic and political turmoil gripping Haiti is still a hot-button topic. Gang violence continues, and since the 2021 assassination of President Jovenel Moïse, there have been no elections. Jamaica and CARICOM are therefore facilitating a 3-day stakeholder meeting with Haitian officials. It follows a CARICOM special mission to Haiti in February, led by Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
We're convinced that with the right spirit and opportunities to facilitate inclusive participation in a neutral environment, there can be movement in building on the groundwork already laid to advance consensus. These contributions are also in support of a larger framework of complementary processes taking place at the national level in Haiti.
CARICOM's Imminent Persons Group will facilitate discussions. The group comprises 3 former prime ministers, Dr. Kenny Anthony from St. Lucia, Perry Christie of the Bahamas, and Bruce Golding from Jamaica. Speaking on behalf of the group, Mr. Golding reminded stakeholders that their decisions should be in the best interest of the almost 12 million Haitian people.
Yes, the discussions will most likely be contentious at times. Yes, ideas will be put forward that will attract criticism and objection. Yes, each of you must have the opportunity to put forward your position firmly. We ask only that it be done respectfully, with a willingness not just to listen to contending views, but to consider their merits before brushing them aside.
Mr. Golding adds that the group will travel to Haiti after the talks to build on the agreement as Haitians develop a roadmap to establishing law and order. Discussions will also take place with the Haitian diaspora, especially those in the United States and Canada. In the meantime, Haiti's Prime Minister Ariel Henry says he was at the meeting to listen and chart the way forward to rebuild democracy in Haiti.